Plug the PS200 settings USB into the ABC to receive the test results. Wait until the lights stop blinking. All test results from the ABC gets downloaded into the test results folder. The file names can be used to identify the instrument serial number and when the test was performed. For example, PS200, serial, year, month, day, hour, and minute. You can also use the date modified column to sort the test results from newest to oldest tests. If the document asks you what program you would like to use, you can choose to use a browser, for example. In this video, we choose the browser Edge. Fail. The failed results can have several causes. We need to inspect each test segment. Air tests. Under this segment, the sensors are tested with a sample drawn from the air inlet. Zero readings. The zero readings are checked against preset limits. Post-zero reading. If the zero reading fails, the ABC will try to zero the sensor. Gas tests. Under this segment, the sensors are tested with the sample drawn from the gas inlet. Gas input. PS200 ABC has one gas input. The PS500 ABC can have multiple. Sensor readings. The sensor readings are checked against preset limits. Cal readings. The ABC will attempt to calibrate the sensor with a target value. Alarm tests. This segment will test the sounder and alarm LEDs. Fail. In this example, the overall test didn't pass because the audible alarm failed.